Say thank you, Uncle Ed.
Thank you, Uncle Ed.
Okay.
Vita, you're gonna miss it. Don't throw these all this way.
There's glitter.
There's nothing else except this.
Wait. You coming, Micah?
You guys got there?
Why?
The turkey calls.
Scratch.
The turkey calls from Uncle Ed.
Wait a minute. Wait, what?
You figure it out, Lincoln? There you go.
Sounds work.
Yeah, you made it squeak, right? Practice will make it sound like a turkey.
Lincoln, you do yours.
Okay.
Okay, Joshua.
Instead of doing this, I do
Everybody say thank you.
Thank you.